Good day, everybody. It's your boy, Dream Big. Dream Big. In this video, I will tell you the necessary things you need to know before entering into a marriage with any man or even relationship. Some of you will say, what do I have to say? Small boy like me. My dear, let me tell you, wisdom is stage by stage. Maybe I might tell you what you don't know, and you also tell me what I don't know. But in this video, I will break it down for you, what you should know before entering into any marriage or relationship. Because me myself, even if I never marry, but at least I did with my parents, I know what thing they do. So listen up. Thank you for grabbing that point. Now, what is marriage? Marriage is a union between a man and a woman where they share harmony, peace, and love. But these days, there are some factors that determines the kind of marriage we person they enter into. Person feel marry because of money, even though say money is the essential, money is the basic tool or material for every marriage to prosper. You know, some women will say, I will stand by him for better for worse, even if money no day, I go day by him. My dear, my brother, na lie. If money no day, that girl you think say we love you, that girl is gonna leave you. So my brother, before thinking of marrying any woman, make sure that you are financially stable. Don't look at your age, whether you are 30, you are 40, you are 30 something. The most important thing is make sure you have a standard source of income. Because if you don't get any standard source of income, you go perish for marriage and your children go suffer. That's the simple fact. So even as a man also, in other words, if you don't see say money never come and you don't reach 30 something and you never marry, my dear, go and marry. Because probably when you marry, money will start coming. But basically, try to get money before entering into any marriage. That's for men. Come here, women. You know, some of you men will be like, I love him so much, even if there is no money, I can stay with him for better for worse. My dear, you are lying. You cannot stay with him for better for worse. If money no day, you that is watching me, you're going to leave him and run. Because everybody wants good thing. Everybody wants good thing. So, and also you that is searching for a man that lives in abroad, a man that has big money. I know that you're going there for his money. It's obvious, we all know. But if you're going there for his money, also make sure that that man you're going after loves you, even if it's 30%. Because most men that have big money, they don't fall in love. They don't fall in love. Even if they marry you, they just keep you there just to bear children for them. That's the simple truth. So use your number 6. I don't say that you should not marry the love of your life. You can marry the love of your life. And if you're marrying the love of your life, if he's struggling to survive, support him. Support him. Men love women that support them. Even me, self, as I'm talking to you, I cannot date a girl that cannot support me. If we start to talk like 2 months and I see that you're not adding any value to my life, my dear, you go come out, you go, because I cannot bear a liability. If you're not adding any value to my life, the way you came through, you go out through that way also. So try to add value to a man's life. That will make your relationship sweet and enjoyable. And next thing, this is very, very important. This is the second one, very important. Every woman should take note of. Don't share your family. Don't share your family. Is it family problem or family? How will I put it now? What will I use for it now? Don't tell your friend. You know when a man is dating a girl now, that guy is dating that girl and her girlfriend, because anything you tell that girl will tell her girlfriend, and from there your secret will be exposed. So as a woman that is entering into marriage, learn to keep secret. Learn to keep your family secret, because when you share it, one day you and that your girlfriend might have issues, and then all your family matters will be exposed to the public, and then you'll be ashamed of yourself, and your husband will be disappointed in you. That's for men. That's for women. Them men.